Guys, we will start day 12 already. Day 12. I want you to read this out. Oh, here we can see how much time we are recorded. Read this, guys. Read this, okay? Prove that you will be reading that. Oh, I forgot. Refresh. I hope you guys have read well. Now I want you to read what the import function from a module is. My coffee is. My God, man, so much. It got so sweet. I'm coming, guys. It's just fabulous. So where were we? We were learning something important, which was what is module. So you can say a module is a file containing set of codes or a set of function which can be included to an application. Okay, it means in a pretty basic way, modules help us to save our time. They contain already set codes. So creating a module. So how can we create a module? To create a module, we write our codes in a Python script and we save it as a py file. Create a file name mymodule.py inside your project folder. Let us write some code in this file, like dev generate full name, first name, last name, and return it will return first name plus space plus last name. So create main.py file in your project directory and import the my module file. To import the file, we use the import keyword and the name of the file only. Import my module. No, we don't have to create or type .py after that file name. Okay. We can have many functions in a file and we can import all the functions differently from my module. Import generate full name. Oh my god, now I understand what is that. from my module means that is the that is the module which we created, and from there we will import something which is our uh, it's like we can import our first function. It's just very nice, man. So from my module import generate full name, sum of two names, person, gravity. What is this, man? Okay. Generate full name, sum of two numbers, person, gravity. Yeah, I was saying this, man. So print generate full name, yeah. Print sum of two number, yeah. Mass. Print rate equals mass into gravity. Print rate. Print person first name. Import function from a module and renaming. During importing, we can rename the name of the module. From my module import generate full name as full name. Okay. Sum of two numbers as total, person as B, and gravity as G. So it will help us. If you wanna change your name, so from module, from this module's name, import whatever function you are fetching, and import generate name as this, then this, that. I think he's gonna die. Let me just use the washroom. just use the washroom. And he's in June, and I can't believe that his health is not going down. I don't think that he will survive. He's going in opposing direction. Let us quit from here and go to yeah. So we will learn some built-in, what they call built-in built-in modules. Let me just quickly upload my video. Create upload video file, and in this section movies we should have Python 6 weights 54 minutes, but it's fine, I guess. We will write here lecture 6, and for this description we will go here and we will type for 6 now, and it will give me a, you see, description. So I've already put it the here. No, I didn't. So we paste it here. Engine bracket aren't allowed. What are angle bracket? So angle bracket, this mean this one. Description. Remove the angle bracket and give me a new one. So it will give me a new one. Now it is fine. So whatever there here it is, I'll just delete and replace it with this. Now for for thumbnail, I'll just go here and for 6, yeah, here it is, and I'll just crop this image and go to my thumbnail and see, there's a little, there will be a, oh, where did it went, where did it go? It should be appear on here. 5, no, where did it go? Let me just quickly and yes, now it is here, it is uploading. I'll set it to the Python programming. No, it's not made for kid. Next, and we will allow this public and we will wait till it's, so now let's get back to the thing, which was built-in modules. We will see that. We'll see in a bit. So first, like other programming languages, we can also import module by importing the file function using the keyword import. Let's import the common module we will use the most of the time. Some of the common built-in module: mass, datetime, OSS, random statics collection, JSON re. Okay, so so first is OS module using Python OS module. It is possible to automatically perform many operating system tasks. The OS module in Python provides function for creating, changing current working directory, and removing a directory folder, fetching its content, changing and identifying the current directory. Okay, that's interesting, man. Read it one more time what it was saying. Oh, so I have level 1 totem spell, so their health is decreasing at very fast rate. It's not nice. So import the module, import OS. Okay, let's do this. Okay, in our VS Code, let me close this one and let me create a folder for inside a new folder. No, not folder. Exactly, I'll do this in VS Code. Open editor. Where is the editor, man? Allow. Okay, don't ask me every time. Okay, don't show again, man. Whatever that is. Open editor. Yes. Where is editor? Cut these things, man. Here we will create a file since we are using import. So import the py and we'll generate. So we'll import OS, and if we print nothing but Python import.py, it will give us nothing because there's nothing to do. Absolutely, there's nothing. But wait in a second, we will do something. What is this, man? For that, let's see how it happens. Okay, import the module. First import OS. Then what we do, it's os.mkdr, creating a directory. Okay, creating a directory. Interesting. was dot mkdir mkdir. Okay. Let me uh was the was dot mkdir make directory name hello world. Hello. Let me type universe. Hello universe. Changing the current directory. What is this, man? And if I save this and if I run Python import.py, this not. Ooh, hello universe. Now there's a directory created, and now that's we are OS or MDR. So what we'll do is OS dot RMDIR. Hello universe. And if I save this and okay, what is this? mkdir rmdir removing directives or rmdir. Okay, we should not type anything inside this. And now if I write mkdir, what is this, man? mkdir was rmdir. If we what is this? It's directory. Changing directory. Yeah, these are the. Now what is this sys module? Python runtime environment function sys dot arg return the list of command line. This module provides functions and variable. Variable used to manipulate different parts of the Python runtime environment. Function sys.argv. Argv returns a list of command line arguments passed to a Python script. The items at index 0 in this list is always the name of the script at index 1 is the argument passed from the command line. What do you say? Example of a script.py file imports us. Hey Bhagwan. Import says imprint says dot argv 0 dot argv1 says argv2. This line would print out file name argument 1 argument 2, print welcome, enjoy, challenge, format says arg1 says arg2. Now to check how this script works, I wrote in command line python script.py. 30 days of Python result. Welcome Avinash. Enjoy 30 days of Python challenge. Whatever that is, it is super fun. Sys dot exit to exit sys dot exist. Okay. To know the largest integer variable it takes, sys dot max size, sys dot path, sys dot version, the statistics module. The statistics module I don't know what happened there, but the statistics module provide function for mathematical statistics of numeric data. The popular statistics function which are defined in this module: mean, median, mode, stdev. From statistics import has a star. I don't know what the fuck is this, but import all the statistics module. Ages, okay. At the same time, it can. Ooh, it's nice, man. It's nice. Uh, from statistics support asterisk. So it will input all the statistics module. Okay, age. This must print mean age, so it will print all. Print mean. So if we try to copy this in our whatever this shit is, yes. Now we will save and we will run python import.py and it will give us perfect mean 22.019. And if I write here f age dot to f dot format, will it work? Give me some hints. Will it work? I need to write dot on it. Where's that dot format? I don't know what the fuck is this, man. Let it change, and you see no issue found. We will publish this video, and now we have a lecture 6. We will upload 10 lectures, so be ready, right? So we will close this now and go to here. So it's very convenient for us to write this much. Are you understanding what I'm saying, where I'm going? You must have the idea now, till now. Math module, module containing many mathematical operation and constants. Input math, print math.py sqrt square 2 plus square power 2 3 to the power 3 floor. It will convert the int rounding to the lowest, seal rounding to the highest, logarithm with 10 as base. Okay, now we have imported the math module, which contains a lot of function which can help us to perform mathematical calculation. To check what function the module has got, we use help math or dir math. This will display the available function in the module. If you want to import only a function, the module we import is as follow: from math input pi. So we don't have to write all these things, we should not be doing this all things like this and that. I don't have to be something kind. It is also possible to import multiple functions at once, right? Like we can import multiple functions at once. Okay, and it will give us advantage, like if we are going to only for functions, it will give us advantage. Like if you want to use some certain functions, it will let us use the functions I want to use only without any unnecessary data. Okay, unnecessary module from math import pi sqrt pro pow flow seal log. Seal will convert to the highest and flow will convert to the lowest. Okay, but if you want to import all the function in the math module, we can use it from math import asterisk, and just like from os import from os import asterisk. When we import, we can also rename the function from math import pi as p. We can name a string module. A string module is a useful module for many purposes. The example below shows some use of the string module. Import a string sky. That's cool name. Sky values. Sky letters ABCD, print sky letter ABCD, print digits, punctuation. Okay, punctuations. Random module. By now you are familiar with importing modules. Let us do one more import to get very familiar with it. Let us import random module, which gives us a random number between 0 and 0.9. And the random module has a lot of functions, but in this section we will only use random and randint. Oh my god, randint. What is that? Randint. From random import random and randint. Print random. It doesn't take any argument. It returns a value between 0 and 0.999. So what value can it give us? I'm thinking about that only. I'm not thinking about what will it give us. that so random 528 returns a random integer between 5 and 20. If you don't give argument, it will return a random. So write a function which generates a 6-digit character random user ID or user ID. Print random user ID 33D. What is that? I don't know. Modify the previous task. Modify the previous task. Declare a function named user ID gen by user. I don't know what that means. This last time will it go modify the previous task, declare a function name user ID. It doesn't take any parameters, but it takes to input using input. One of the input is a number of characters, and the second input is the number of IDs which are supposed to be generated. But at this point, it is not generating. Why? Can I ask you why? Just the just answer my question that why it is not generating that way. Why it is not generating the way we wanted it. What is this? I hope it goes legendary, but it does not go as legendary as you've seen. I would rather sell it by 10 gems. Print user ID gen by user input 5.5, output yes. Damn man, it's so hard. Oh, it's targeting 3 at the time. It must be pretty low level, and why it is so heavy. Okay, now write a function named RGB color gen. It will generate RGB color 3 values ranging from this exercise, this and this exercise level. Call your function shuffle. Less it takes. Oh my, means it's all a random game. It wants us to take a random game. Alright, we have 15 minutes left, so we will move forward to the day 13. In day 30, we have list comprehension, lambda function, creating a lambda function inside another function. The list comprehension, can you read it out for me? My voice is just cracking down at this point of time. Dragon Rider, I guess. ही हकीकत आबरू तुझे research oh, language dropship cannon card. Let's put all the medals in night which double cannon. We should upgrade it to now. For clock tower, let's boost it and let's move to the next base. List comprehension in Python is a compact way of creating a list from a sequence. It is a short way to create a new list. List comprehension is considerably faster than processing a list using the follow expression for I in iterable if condition. Oh my god, what's that? Oh my god, is my net is not working? Where's this? I don't know what is this. All when use new crafted defense CW. What is that? Crafted defense. Warren food. Crafted defense. What does that mean? Uh, and the war one. My god. 600. I destroyed my base completely. I'll take revenge. For instance, if you want to change a string to a list of characters, you can use a couple of methods. Let's see some of them. Language equals to Python, list equals to list Python. Changing the string to list, print type list, lst print list. ही हकीकत So I'm understanding what is this thing, okay? List equals to I for I in language. Print second way list comprehension I for I in language. Print type list lst. Okay, a list example. For instance, if you want to generate a list of number for I in numbers equals to I for I in range 11, so it will I for I in range that it is possible to do a mathematical operation during iteration. This squares I into I for I in range 11 1. Okay, numbers. Numbers. Huh? Huh? Numbers equals to I for I in range, I for I 0 0 1 1 2 4. Okay, whatever. List comprehension can be combined with if expression. Even number equals to I for I in range 21. If okay, if so, it will only print even numbers. Generating odd numbers equals I for I in range, I for I in range 21. If I percentage 2 is not equals to 0, it will print all the odd numbers. Filter numbers, filter out the positive even numbers from the list below. Numbers equals to this, and positive even numbers equals to I for I in range. If I percentage equals to and I should be greater than 0, it will print all the even numbers, positive even numbers. List of lists 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Flattened list number 4 row, number for row in list of list for number in row. What is that? Number for row in list or live for number of row. I don't know what does that mean. I can't understand what is word it's saying. So 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. What is this? Do we have helicopter? No, we don't have helicopter, but it's all right. We are gonna do some loops. Okay, so that is our limiting limit is reaching. So we will start lambda function in the next class.